Hey y'all, it's Lizzie from lizzieandaaron.com, and I am going to try my hand at the Dollar Tree wire heart wreath form today. We've seen these around, we've seen people do super cute things with them. I'm just going to do mine up a way that I think I will like it, and hopefully you guys like it too. If not, then just move along. Move along and find something on our page that you do like. I'm sure there are lots of things that you would love. I'm going to use, before I start, I didn't even tell you, I got the Dollar Tree wire wreath frame. I have the burlap ribbon here. I've got some buffalo check ribbon, some clearance Walmart ribbon, and I've got this little guy. I'm not sure which ones of these I'm going to use. I know for sure I'm using the buffalo check or the Lord have mercy, take a breath. The burlap ribbon from Walmart. I know for sure I'm using that. And my glue gun. So I'm going to start with taking my glue gun and just putting a little bead of glue right there. That's just giving me something to start this guy on. If you have those little rubber finger thingies that keeps you from burning yourself, you go right ahead and use one. I've got my little popsicle stick here because that's what I have. I'm going to tuck that in, and we're just going to start wrapping our burlap ribbon around the heart. Overlapping in some places if we want. It's totally up to you. We're just wrapping, covering our little heart with it. Easy peasy. Kind of twisted it right there. Totally up to you if you want to add some glue every once in a while. I don't know why it would be necessary for this guy. He can't fall off the bottom. We're going in a circle, so I'm not worried about him unraveling, but I might be missing something with the logistics of that. And if I am, and you know better than me, I'm sure that you will tell me in the comments. And y'all look for those comments, because I honestly don't know why we would add glue every once in a while on this, but hey, maybe we should be. I don't know. So I'm just wrapping, just like this. So this is what we got so far. You gotta make sure that you keep it tight so that you don't make too much of a mess, I guess, with it there. It looks better if it's a little tighter. So far, I think that's looking pretty cute. Just wrapping it in the burlap. Now, I don't know if they still have these wire hearts at Dollar Tree or not. I hope they do. For y'all, if you haven't gotten your hands on one yet, but I'm not absolutely sure. I got mine a little bit ago, and I've just had it in my drawer over here, and decided that today was the day to do something with it. So this is my last piece that I'm going to need, and I am going to cut it right here. And we will need to put glue to finish it off to secure it. So I just cut it like that, and I'm going to glue it down right there in the back. I'm going to put a little strip of glue. Give myself something to glue it down to. Got my little popsicle stick so I don't burn myself. And we're just getting it on there. So far, this is what we have, and I think it looks really cute so far. So this is what we got. We got our little burlap wrapped heart, and y'all, honestly, this is adorable. You could take a piece of buffalo check ribbon and leave it just like this, and put you a little bow, and we're good to go. Like, you hang it up just like that, and it's cute for all year, honestly. I really like that, but I also thought that it would be cute to take some of this red striped burlap here ribbon that I got on clearance at Walmart and go around this one, letting our burlap peek through every once in a while. So that was kind of my thought on that. But I think, I don't know, I'm being indecisive because I like the way that it looks. But anyways, I think it would be cute to do this. So I think we'll just commit. I'll just commit to the striped. And I put my little strip of glue and my popsicle stick here. I'm committing to the stripe because I think it'll be cute and Valentine's-y. And then I pulled it right off. Let me try that again. I guess I should let it dry before I go pulling on it. There we go. All right. So what I'm thinking is just to wrap a little bit wider like that so that we have our burlap poke through. I think that's cute. Yeah, that's what we're doing. This is what we're doing. I didn't have a lot for that strip to go far, but I want to use what I got. So I already have these strips cut. I imagine I was probably using them on a different project and then ended up not needing them. So I have them left over. So we are using them now. I think that stripe's really cute. So that's cute. I do like that. I like how the burlap matches, and then now it has the little pop of red stripe in there. So we're going to keep going. Oh, I got another strip we can use before we go cutting into any more ribbon. So I'm going to use that. And I'm just going to glue it down right here and continue it on around just as if it was all connected. And I'm going to keep wrapping. And honestly, I was thinking a bow would be cute, and a bow would be cute. But after I wrap it like this, I think we might just need a hanger and to call it a day. Sometimes less is more, but we'll make that decision when we get there, I guess. There we go. So make sure if you're... I did it again. I'm getting ahead of myself. I need to let it dry. Lord, y'all are going to have a field day with me if I can't get it together. Sorry, guys. Okay, here we are. I'm going to hold that and let it dry for a second and not do that again. I was always the kid that had to learn the hard way. You can ask my mama if you don't believe me, but I was the kid that would make the same mistake 600 times before I got it together. That's just how I roll. So it's no different with crafting, and I'm okay with that. I'm going to end it right there. That was a perfect amount. So I'm just going to glue it down. I'm just like that in life in general. So why should it be any different when I'm making a heart wreath for all of our friends here watching? And I have a feeling that my daughter is going to be the same way, because she's already the same way. She's only 2, and she's already proving that she has the same tendencies. So I've got it wrapped. I don't have anything up here because I think I will add a little bow right there. So let's use our buffalo check ribbon. Well, you know what? No, I don't want to use it. I can't believe I just said that out loud, but I don't think that we need buffalo check ribbon for this. I'm going to use more of this striped ribbon because I just think it's really pretty and I like it. But we're going to cut it in half and make it thinner so that it doesn't overtake our little heart. So I'm just going to start, let's do a refab bow. I'm going to get it together eventually. Yeah, let's do a little cute refab bow right here on the side. I've decided, y'all. I made a decision. This is what we're doing. So we're going to take some of our burlap ribbon here. I'm actually going to use a different one. I've got it right down here, though. This is just one of those projects that, you know, you say one thing in your mind, but then as you go, you're like, hold on. This would be better. No, this would be better. This would be... And you just go with it. So that's what's happening here. I know our creative friends can appreciate that. Yeah, so we're going to make a ribbon out of this. I know it's kind of wonky. I'll trim it at the end. I'll trim it when I'm done. Let's take another little strip. Cut that in half. Put that over. This is a little refab bow, y'all. Brooke Riley from Refab makes this bow, and she has a tutorial on her website at refab.com. There's a hyphen in it, so you can find the tutorial for this bow on that website if you want to learn how to make it. Alrighty, so we got a crisscross there, and I'm going to add some raffia, which I didn't have out because I actually wasn't planning on using it. Silly me, I should know better, you guys. Have my raffia out. Got a little bit of red raffia here too, which I'm not sure when I got it or where it came from, but we might use a little piece of that too. And we're just going to bunch all of this up with a little pop of red in it. And put it together here. These guys are obviously too long. I'm going to cut those so they're not so long. I'm going to do a little bunchy here in the middle, pinch it together. And then we are going to tie it together with a little another piece of raffia. Use a piece of twine though. A piece of twine would probably be a little bit more secure, but I don't have it right here on hand because I wasn't planning on doing this. But how cute is that? The refab bow just sets it sets it off, y'all. And then I've got this cute little red heart. We'll put that right in the middle of our refab bow. It's just a little wooden heart. Look at us creating a little bit on the fly here. I had a plan and ended up going a completely different direction than I originally thought. And that's okay. I'm sure our creative friends understand that. It doesn't always work out like you think it will. We're going to put that right there in the center. I'm going to put me a good bit of glue. And I'm going to hold it while it dries. And we are going to attach our little wooden heart right here. This little wooden heart was just in my stash. I believe it was in a crafty care package that one of our friends on our page sent me. And I have not used it yet. So, perfect for this, for sure. But y'all, I'm holding that until it dries, but that's all she wrote. That's my cute little Dollar Tree wire wreath frame little project. So cute. Attach a little piece of twine on the back to hang it. You can do that later though. You can just hang it from a hook too. It doesn't have to have the twine on it. Okay, I think we're good and dry. It's safe to hold it up. But there it is, y'all. It's all done. I think that turned out super cute. I used the wire wreath frame from Dollar Tree, some burlap ribbon from Walmart, some clearance ribbon from Walmart, after Christmas clearance ribbon, made a little refab bow, added a cute little wooden heart to the center. So I think that turned out adorable. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. I appreciate y'all so very much. Erin and I are so grateful that you're here. Make sure you're following us on our Facebook page and also following along on our website, LizzieandErin.com. Thank y'all so much. Bye, y'all.